आप लोग जब मुंह धोने जाते हो, फेस वॉश करने जाते हो, आपको पता होता है कि रुकना कहाँ है। मैं गया तो था फेस वॉश करने, बट आया हूँ नहा के।
कुत्ता आदमी को काट ले तो वो न्यूज़ नहीं है, लेकिन आदमी कुत्ते को काट ले तो वो न्यूज़ है ना।
अरे इट इज सच अ ग्रेट स्टोरी। Comedy and mental health are two sides of the same coin.
You were in therapy.
Yes, I've been talking to a therapist for about 7 years now.
ऐसा क्या हुआ जिससे आपको लगा कि आपको थेरेपी की ज़रूरत है या थेरेपिस्ट विजिट करने की ज़रूरत है?
It came from helplessness in the sense कि okay, this is something I can't speak to a parent, I can't speak to a partner, and I don't have friends who are so close who will not judge me in this. But today I'm speaking freely about these things. I'm saying loneliness, I'm saying shame, I'm saying guilt. But I don't think any of these words I was even willing to accept or admit at the time.
What changes do you see in yourself?
तब मैं बेशर्म हूँ।
और therapy helped
Helped
you
me.
become this.
Yes.
Hi, my name is Veena Soni. Welcome to yet another episode of H2O ज़िंदगी, जहां हम आपको बताते हैं कि कैसे आप एक ज़्यादा हेल्दी, हैप्पी और ऑसम ज़िंदगी जी सकते हैं। कहते हैं लाफ्टर इज़ थेरेपी। अब चाहे आप फेक हंस रहे हो या फिर जेन्युइनली हंस रहे हो, हमारे ब्रेन को ये पता नहीं होता है कि ये जेन्युइन लाफ्टर है या फिर फेक लाफ्टर है। हमारे अंदर तो हैप्पी हार्मोन्स प्रोड्यूस होने शुरू हो जाते हैं, जिनसे हमारा स्ट्रेस लेवल भी लोअर होता है और साथ ही हमारा जो मूड है वो भी बेहतरीन हो जाता है। और आज मैं हंसने हंसाने की इसलिए बात कर रही हूँ क्योंकि जो हमारे खास मेहमान हैं वो एक स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन हैं। A warm welcome केशव, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग ऑन दिस एपिसोड ऑफ H2O ज़िंदगी। तो हम हंसने के लिए तैयार हैं, आप हंसाने के लिए तैयार हैं या नहीं?
Let's see.
Okay,
कोशिश पूरी रहेगी।
Thank you so much once again.
Thank you.
Welcome. So our channel is all about health and happiness and also how to live an awesome life. आप healthy हैं, happy हैं?
हेल्दी हूँ, हैप्पी तो ठीक है, मतलब अप्स एंड डाउन्स होता है। यू कैन, आई डोंट थिंक यू कैन बी हैप्पी ऑल द टाइम, बट एक आई ट्राई टू बी हैप्पी ऑल द टाइम जितना हो सके। इट्स, आई थिंक इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट टू एम्ब्रेस ऑल इमोशंस एज दे कम।
True.
You know?
True.
So if you're sad, then let that sadness come in, allow it its time और उसको जाने दो अपने आप, as opposed to नहीं मेरे को आज हैप्पी रहना है, चलो जाके दारू पीते हैं। नो, that's not
और या फिर मुझे सैड रहना है तो चलो जाके दारू पीते हैं।
हाँ वो भी एग्जैक्टली हाँ। So just give it its time ना, whatever the feeling is, let it pass. And yeah.
And has this ever happened कि कोई feeling feel कर रहे हो, maybe it's sadness or maybe any negative emotion,
Yeah, anger for example.
Yeah, anger, frustration, irritation, और वो बहुत ज़्यादा देर के लिए रह गई है।
हाँ होता है ना, ऐसा क्यों नहीं होता है, ऑफ कोर्स होता है। यूजुअली तब होता है when you are not able to allow yourself the time to reflect. So usually कब होता है कि when बहुत सारा time demands है आपके ऊपर, कि let's say 2 weeks have gone by and all your me time is not available. The only time you're alone is possibly when you're sleeping or taking a shower. अगर ऐसा हो चुका है तो then naturally you will get trapped. I've felt that. You know, most recently, maybe a couple of months ago, an entire 2 weeks had gone by. I think my whole entire WhatsApp, I think, was just fights. It's almost like friends, exes suddenly have shown up on that. You know, it's like
You were fighting with exes
also. Not, I'm exaggerating. Okay. But ठीक है, you know what I meant is like whichever name I saw on that list was like, oh God, नहीं बात करना है, you know.
So you said you are exaggerating, और वैसे भी stand up भी exaggeration के बारे में होती है, you feel so?
Sometimes you have to exaggerate. You have to. It's like a tool to underline something. और kind of sometimes you reduce it too much. वो भी एक exaggeration ही हो गया. Like किसी story का एक part बताने में you will say कि you will not focus on the key parts, but तुमको जो point बताना है उसका absurdity underline करने के लिए you will go down to, you'll reduce it no? to that point, which is also an exaggeration only. Like if I talk about how I don't know, just made up thing कि कोई I don't know how news presenters are with guests, or फिर how auto walas are, Not all of them are like that, but if I reduce it to something, then वो एक exaggeration ही हो गया.
और तभी शायद वो फन बन जाता है.
तभी वो फन बन जाता है. Yeah.
Otherwise it's plain normal ना. न्यूज़ में
Otherwise
कहते हैं ना
it's-
कि if भाई कुत्ता आदमी को काट ले तो वो न्यूज़ नहीं है, लेकिन आदमी कुत्ते को काट ले तो वो न्यूज़ है ना.
अरे it is such a great story. बात सही है.
Yeah, this is how we were taught actually, because मैंने जर्नलिज्म किया हुआ है, तो हमें ऐसे ही सिखाया जाता था कि भाई न्यूज़ ढूंढनी कैसे है.
This is a great tool. This is a great tool.
So what are you trying to underline through your stand-up?
मुझे I feel okay, and this is not something I do consciously, but हो जाता है मेरे से कि I feel like whenever I see something जहाँ society थोड़ा अजीब सा behave करता है, you know, where I feel like this is a great chance for me to hold up a gentle mirror to society. That's my sweet spot. I love that. हो जाता है बस just naturally, and it's not any anger towards society. It's just a point of view. I feel जो objectivity है मेरा, I feel that's my gift.
अच्छा, but is it that you want to revolutionize, कुछ ऐसा हम revolution लाना चाहते हैं? ऐसा होता है ना बहुत सारे लोगों का कि
नहीं, ऐसा
through
क्रांतिकारी
my
नहीं
act,
हूँ
हाँ
मैं.
वही क्रांति लाने की कुछ.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. It's just कि did you see this about yourselves वाला thing. This is how we are as a society, because I am also part of that society also. I'm also a product of that society. Some people do it with poetry, some people do it with jokes, some people do it with films. Like, I'm not comparing myself, but Manto, for example, in his time was outcast, right, for the stuff he spoke about. I mean, he was comfortable talking about the fact that he went to prostitutes. Society wasn't ready for that. Even today, I don't think society is ready for that. That's, I think.
So what is that one thing or two things? Because society की अगर हम as a large बात करें तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं ना जो नहीं पसंद आ सकती हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जहाँ पे आईना दिखाने की ज़रूरत हो सकती है.
बहुत सारी.
But is there anything specific that you believe that this is what I want to do and this is how I want to show
It's
me?
not so broken down. It's, I feel that's the area, you know, that you can cover for me, and that could overlap with politics, perhaps. You know, if that happens, then great. But I don't think I want to do political humor as such. You know, शुरू में मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मुझे political humor करना है. But अब लगता है कि नहीं, whatever comes naturally. And the things that come naturally to me are वही होता है कि, you know, लिफ्ट में किसी ने कैसे बिहेव कर लिया, या किसी पार्टी में कैसे किसी ने कुछ कर दिया. So classism. So for example, if you go to a building and वहाँ पे service elevator है, that kind of stuff, no? It troubles me.
Okay.
You know.
I got it. And there is one more thing that you pay attention to, which is mental health. क्योंकि I was just seeing, going through one of the posters that you were there on, and आप
Right.
perform करने वाले थे, and it clearly mentioned कि
Right.
with mental health benefits.
वो तो बस ब्रोशर कॉपी था पोस्टर पे ऐड के लिए. I don't know if we delivered on that. Comedy and mental health are two sides of the same coin. Because jokes, a lot of people's material comes from something deep-seated, something that troubles us. अगर if I write a set about school teachers, it's because है कुछ, something fuels that. It could be trauma. It's definitely not because I was a teacher's pet. ऐसा तो नहीं होगा. हो सकता था teacher was too friendly. Maybe that's the trauma. So the point is that you can't separate the two. Where there is stand-up comedy, there is mental health. They're just the what we're looking for is कि whether it is unprocessed material or processed material that is being shared. And I'm sure you are a student of people and therapy and comedy. When you watch content, I'm sure there is some content that makes you feel like, "Arey, this is not sitting well." It's because you've figured out that it's unprocessed material, na? You know, sometimes we find artists who come with unprocessed material also. I think artists also have a responsibility. Animal the film is case in point. If that person had gone to a therapist, I have a problem with that content. not because he himself is defending certain actions. He's become the poster child and he's endorsing it, and now another generation is going to grow up thinking it is okay to be that way. That's a problem. It's a big problem.
And now you have mentioned about therapist, somebody going to a therapist. You were in therapy.
Yes, I've been talking to a therapist for about 7 years now. And I think I'm lucky and privileged to have met somebody who I could work with consistently over the years. And it's been a lifesaver.
Are you comfortable talking about it?
Yeah, I mean, depends on the questions. I mean, depending on how much intimacy is expected. But yeah, let's try it.
Yeah. So, what was the time और ऐसा क्या हुआ जिससे आपको लगा कि आपको थेरेपी की ज़रूरत है या थेरेपिस्ट विजिट करने की ज़रूरत है?
Right. So this is a very tricky one because that might be extremely personal. The reason that what took me there, because I think I felt at an outer level. I felt like no matter Midas touch सुना होगा आपने? So I felt like I was the opposite of King Midas. मुझे लग रहा था कि no matter what I touch turns to shit.
Okay.
I was in that space. And I'm like, what is it like, what is this this special talent that I have? So perhaps thoda ek operating system needs to be re-looked at. And I was 34 at the time, 34 minus, math is not my strong suit.
That's okay.
37, I was 37 at the time. And that's old enough to know that so much of your life has gone by, but why is it that it doesn't sit right? Time after time I'm having trouble retaining friends, or time after time I'm having the same patterns with relationships. It's like I'm not making any new mistakes. I'm happy making mistakes. I just want some freshness in them. बार-बार same गलतियाँ नहीं करना है.
मतलब life was repeating itself.
It was on loop. It felt like, from the time I was 20 to 37, it felt like, okay, I've seen this film before. I'm just changing cities. अलग-अलग जगह जाके same गलतियाँ कर रहा हूँ मैं. So I said, okay, maybe this is a good time to meet a person who can perhaps help you. It also came from helplessness. It came from helplessness in the sense that, okay, this is something I can't speak to a parent, I can't speak to a partner. And I don't have friends who are so close who will not judge me in this. A non-judgmental friend who would not later also I'd had a few bad experiences in the sense that sometimes with friends, when you trust and you share a lot, they tend to, without their own knowledge, use it against you later. तो वो नहीं चाहिए था मुझे, which had also happened.
और मे बी वो इंटेंशनल नहीं भी होता है, बट दे डोंट सी कि बहुत सिवियर है या बहुत इंटीमेट है.
Most people don't understand why they do it. It's just manipulation is actually a primitive response. If you think about it, we don't realize when we manipulate people. It's actually we pick it up as children because हमको कुछ चाहिए होता है जो नहीं मिल रहा है. And people pleasing वो भी manipulation ही है.
You decided yourself that therapy की अब ज़रूरत है या फिर किसी ने suggest किया आपको?
नहीं, किसी ने suggest नहीं किया. It was really a cry for help. Means it just felt like, oh my God, I have to go and speak to someone now because I feel like I have my, between a rock and a hard place बोलते हैं. Like I can't move out of this. मुझे पता नहीं कि कैसे निकलूँ मैं इसमें से. When you don't have that intimacy with your parents, or you don't have that comfort where you can speak about those things, where you are gripped by shame and guilt. But today I'm speaking freely about these things. I'm saying loneliness, I'm saying shame, I'm saying guilt. But I don't think any of these words I was even willing to accept or admit at the time.
अच्छा, तो आपको क्या लगता था लोग जज कर रहे हैं आपको?
Of course.
और अभी भी करेंगे ना, सुन के?
अब तो करने दो यार, अब तो मतलब मैं खुला आदमी हूँ. Now I am a free bird. Now I don't care. Now it's because I feel like this is the human condition. We are all the same. I'm just speaking about it freely because I've had the luxury. But I would encourage more people to admit this. You know, we're gripped by shame, guilt, and fear. तब मैं बेशरम हूँ.
और therapy helped you become this.
Yes. Why do you think books like The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck do so well? It's because everybody secretly desires it. सबको वही चाहिए. सबको ढीठ बनना है.
और इतना आसान भी नहीं
होता है. So they're fortunate. If you see a ढीठ next time, you'll give them a hug. हो सकता है छूने से फैल जाए.
तो अभी आप बन गए हो ढीठ, आपको लगता है?
मतलब I'm on my way. I'm not fully there. It's a long journey.
Of course, it's a long journey.
It's a long journey because the conditioning is such. Now, especially, I don't know if I should make such broad statements, but I'm South Indian. So South Indian conditioning is even harsh. Even more harsh when it comes to these things. Oof.
Yeah, अब यहाँ पे अगर कुछ set of people are watching, they will feel bad about this.
It's intent. I'm not saying कि उनको बुरा लगना चाहिए इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ ये. I'm saying this so that they at least acknowledge it. It's not an attack. It's just facts.
And because you have gone through this mental health issue ही है ये, where when you start feeling you're stuck, you are feeling guilty all the times or you're fearful all the times.
Yeah.
That's why you say कि मेरी comedy है जो stand-up comedy है, it comes with mental health benefits.
Yeah, so the thing is कि finally क्या है कि एक तो best benefit है कि you laugh it off. That itself is a great plus. But it's not कि we're doing it as a social service. We're doing it because we also, for us it's a balm. For a comedian, जब कोई हंसता है ना, it feels like so soothing. रात को चैन की नींद आती है. And it's beautiful because वो आदमी भी रात को चैन की नींद सोता है और हम भी. So it's a beautiful give and take, a comedy show. So that's what I meant by mental health benefits.
And
so
there is science behind it.
And there is science behind it, of course.
Yeah,
laughter
that's why
is therapy.
Yeah, that's why laughter clubs are there.
Laughter
that's
clubs
why
are
that morning laughing sessions are there.
In fact, I joke about it with my friends, but I feel like clinical psychologists, therapists, जो भी है, I think they should prescribe tickets, comedy tickets. They should just give.
Start with your therapist, I think.
Start with my therapist. I know. I've been trying to convince her.
What changes do you see in yourself?
Quite a few, right? I mean, I feel, and I don't know if the changes are so clean, binary, aisa. It is more like the path my life has taken is different today. Had I not gone down this road, I would have been a different person today. I would have perhaps been in a job, successful. All those things are there. I'm not attributing any of those things to therapy. I'm just saying कि the freeing जो feeling आता है ना, which can only come from this. Otherwise, I felt like I was in a prison of my own making. ऐसा लग रहा था कि क्या हो रहा था कि I was in a relationship. We were living together. We had 2 dogs, and we had cut off from all our friends because we were so busy. Like codependence a relationship tha. So it was just the 2 of us. We were the world for each other, and we would joke about stuff like this is going to sound very crazy. We would joke about it कि how we will grow old and we'll become those couple serial killers जैसे होता है ना वैसे, because we didn't have children and we weren't planning on having children. So these are things that make you wonder, why am I attracting this energy in my life? So थोड़ा dark हो गया. I'm sorry.
मतलब we'll grow old together तक ठीक है वैसे.
But that's also the kind of content you watch. So do you enjoy serial killer content? Do you watch crime?
I don't watch killing. Crime. I don't watch any violence.
So I watch a lot of that content.
I've
Somehow it's quite-
intentionally eliminated violence from my viewing
Life,
list.
right,
Yes,
right.
completely.
Right.
No horror, no violence, no threatening or fearful content for me.
Right.
Nothing.
Yeah, that is a very good choice. Very good choice. I do feel my need to consume that content is going down. Yeah.
And you can intentionally do that once you are a little clear about where are you
Yeah.
heading to.
Yeah.
You can intentionally delete a lot of content. See, social media is part of our life. उसे delete तो किया नहीं जा सकता. तो
नहीं.
better hack it. And how do you
Yeah.
hack it is there are so many accounts which are teaching you so much, which you will love watching and which will always. So मैं ये नहीं कहती हूँ कि हमेशा positive सोचना चाहिए, but when you watch them, you start feeling that yes, there is still hope. I'm not saying that there is nothing wrong happening in the society,
Yeah.
but as long as you have this hope of कि at the end of the tunnel there is light.
Yes.
Abhi maybe it looks dark.
Yes.
Maybe right now I'm going through a feeling of sadness, irritation, frustration, or whatever bad feeling.
Yeah.
But there is always a hope of getting out of this
This
kind of feeling.
situation.
Yeah, there is always, it is possible, is the situation. So there is content on Instagram, you will see, there is content on social media which will make you think that there is light.
I think my feed is largely, a lot of my feed is self-help related. Pata nahi, I guess I've gone down that
Yeah.
path. Also, it listens, no? Like,
And were you a stand-up comedian when you were into
No.
this situation?
no, I wasn't. So I've started comedy like in the last 2 years or so, about 2 years ago. And the way I got into it also is quite interesting.
So we
That's
would
a-
love to hear
yes,
that
that's-
story. We would
that's
love
a
to
funny
hear.
story. So I used to believe I used to love going to parties. Somehow if I got an invitation for a party means I'm really happy. For the next 3 days I know कि चलो evening is going to be fun. Only many years later now do I understand why I used to look forward to that. I used to believe I was an extrovert, but actually I'm not. Now I realize this. Now I know that I'm not an extrovert. I was just faking it. And why did I enjoy going? Because पता था कि अगर पार्टी में जाओ तो उधर 4 लोग मिलेंगे, उनको ऐसा घेर लो, ऑडियंस बना दो and शुरू हो जाओ. That is the real reason. So that joy that I got. So I was just, वो मेरा एक था बस, I used to enjoy that. But उसमें क्या होता है कि you end up inadvertently sometimes roasting someone, right? वो भी होता है. Because you are breaking boundaries, तुमको खबर नहीं है. You are just doing it. You are not aware. So unaware comedian is a dangerous thing. Is my point. So there was a girl. She said, you're being an asshole, literally. तुमको अगर funny बनना है, जाके stage पे करो, go be a stand-up comic.
Okay, so that
सीधा
was the
सीधा.
point.
That was the point when I realized कि okay, I'm just using this party wala situation for my twisted jollies. Na? So I'm not going there because the host is a nice person or they always put out great food or they वो तो है ही नहीं. Straight, it's just a kink.
So before becoming a professional stand-up, you were already doing comedy.
I was, but
unintentional.
पता ही नहीं था. And it was happening at maybe at the expense of others.
बट अब भी हो जाता है ना, मतलब मैं कुछ स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियंस देखती हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा भी लगता है दैट दे आर रोस्टिंग समबडी, राइट? मे बी इंटेंशनल, मे बी अनइंटेंशनल.
बट देयर इज अ कंस्ट्रक्ट. इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज जो लोग आए हैं वहाँ उनको पता है. अब these few people who've come to this party, they didn't come there to get roasted. So that's the what's the word? Irresponsible thing. तो ये सब पाप पे धोने हैं.
अब ये हो चुके हैं अब इनको तो
अभी खत्म. Now the next part.
अभी आप स्टेज पर खड़े हो कि ऐसा कोई पाप तो नहीं करते हो ना? Do you roast? How do you
अभी
roast?
तो it's a
Okay,
given. तो अभी तो I'm very very kind. अभी very I think I feel like I've overcompensated. हाँ, अब लगता है.
आप धुल गए?
नहीं, धुल नहीं गया. ऐसा नहीं. I was just joking. Now I feel like I'm too nice and too kind to audiences. But it's okay. I'd rather be in that space than go and hurt someone and make someone's life difficult. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि next morning they wake up feeling something didn't sit well.
कि गए तो थे हंसने के लिए, अब हम ही मजाक बन के रह गए टाइप्स.
मजाक बन जाना ठीक है. It shouldn't get filed in your body, in your mind as abuse.
So how do you differentiate? Because सबका थ्रेशहोल्ड अलग है. ठीक है, मेरे लिए हो सकता है एक छोटा सा जोक भी, राइट, हो सकता है मेरे लिए छोटा सा जोक भी बहुत बड़ी बात हो, और किसी और का थ्रेशहोल्ड कुछ अलग भी हो सकता है.
I think that's where you have to be good at reading body language. अगर आपको थोड़ा सा भी डिस्कम्फर्ट दिख गया ना, तो यू शुड नो टू पुल बैक. अगर एंड दैट इज अवेयरनेस, दैट इज बीइंग प्रेजेंट, बिकॉज आपके हाथ में माइक है. द माइक गिव्स यू पावर. सो ऑलरेडी क्या हो गया, दिस इज अ पावर स्क्यू. सो जिसके पास पावर है, दैट पर्सन हैज टू बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल. तो जो बंदा या बंदी बैठी है ऑडियंस में, दे आर एट द रिसीविंग एंड, सो यू हैव टू बी काइंड. सो इफ यू सी थोड़ा सा भी discomfort, you should pull back. This I feel a lot of people don't do.
How did you learn it? क्योंकि मैं एक कम्युनिकेशन कोच हूँ, राइट. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बॉडी लैंग्वेज सिखाती हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा. मेरा करिकुलम में बॉडी लैंग्वेजेस, सो पीपल थिंक दैट आई विल टीच देम हाउ टू स्पीक. तो वो वर्ड्स पे फोकस्ड होते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा, और मैं उनको, राइट, और मैं उनको बोलती हूँ कि बॉडी लैंग्वेज पे, वॉइस एंड टोन पे आपको बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान देना है. हाउ डिड यू लर्न इट?
I mean, I studied communication for other purposes, like जो mass media वाला space था, but that's different. That's more academic. But ये जो हम बात कर रहे हैं, जो soft skills,
that you are standing there on the stage and you're doing your stand up, and then of course you're picking up people. That's how it happens, right? And then you're noticing the body language, and then you say, then you should know how to pull back. वो body language आप कैसे read करते हो?
Discomfort shows on the face. Discomfort shows on the face because, and this is where I'd like to talk about shame. As a society, we do not talk about shame enough. Shame makes people's faces go a certain way. You know, there's a. It looks like a grin, but actually they're being humiliated. The trouble is when a person enjoys humiliating someone else. That's a big problem. So you can't derive your jollies. मजे लेना बोलते हैं ना लोग, तो मजे लो आप, बेशक लो मजे, but not in a way कि the next day when that person wakes up they are feeling bad, or they are feeling like, oh shit, this is an experience I will never go for again. You've ruined comedy for them. तो ये तो irresponsible behavior है ना. Sorry मैं इतना deep चला जा रहा हूँ.
मुझे बढ़िया लग रहा है in fact to tell you the truth, क्योंकि लोगों को लगता है कि यार stand up comedy है, चलो खड़े होके कुछ भी बोल देना है. But I'm just seeing the deep thought that's going into it. आपकी तरफ से आप कितना deeply सोच के, which means जब आप prepare भी कर रहे होते हो, I'm sure you are thinking that ways कि I don't have to hurt somebody who's sitting in the audience.
हाँ, like for example जो material है, I feel see there's two parts to it. Material में I take full license.
अच्छा.
Material में I will take full license because मेरे को बोलने की मतलब बोलने का पूरा हक है as an artist. Like democracy वाला वही definition है कि I may disagree with you, but I will defend your right to say what you have to say till my death. यही definition इसका भी. I may disagree with another comedian, but he or she has the right to say what they want to say. This is the prepared content. अब अगर हम live कुछ कर रहे हैं, like crowd work as they call it. Crowd work is the dangerous part. Crowd work में क्या होता है कि it's just whatever goes, जो मांगता है बोल लो. That is where you have to be responsible. अब जो पहले हम बात कर रहे थे इसी के बारे में था कि interaction में, अब किसी को पूछ लिया, मैम are you single? ठीक है, you already एक वायलेशन, नॉट वायलेशन, यू गॉन टू क्लोज, ठीक है, पूछ लिया, मैम आर यू सिंगल, उन्होंने बोल भी दिया, एंड देन ऐसे करते करते इट्स रीच द पॉइंट वेयर यू नो दैट ओके शी सेड शी वाज ट्राइंग टू हाइड अ डिवोर्स. ना पूरे रूम को पता चल गया है. व्हाट डू यू डू विद दैट? डू यू ट्विस्ट दैट लेडीज आर्म एंड मेक हर टॉक अबाउट द डिवोर्स, और डू यू शो काइंडनेस एंड स्टेप बैक? There's a reason I'm saying all these things because मैंने देखा है. तो it makes me uncomfortable. The room is getting uncomfortable. Those 20 people will say चलो यहाँ नहीं आते हैं फिर से. Comedy sometimes gets a bad name because of these things.
हाँ, रोस्ट स्पेशली जो रोस्टिंग पार्ट होता है उसके लिए भी बहुत ज़्यादा कॉमेडी को क्वेश्चन
तो
किया जाता
रोस्टिंग
है.
में भी वॉलंटियर ही है. दैट इज ऑल्सो अ कंसेंट वाला चीज ओनली. दैट पर्सन अग्रीड टू बी रोस्टेड. दैट ऑल्सो आई एम सेइंग इज कूल. इट्स व्हेन यू अटैक an audience member who did not sign up for it. वो तो सिर्फ हंसने के लिए आए थे. तो उनको रुला के भेज रहे हो.
Now let me know about some bizarre experience of yours कि आप कहीं गए हैं या तो वो जगह बहुत bizarre थी या ऑडियंस बड़े bizarre थे या मतलब something that was weird.
Okay. So this is an interesting travel story. I think I can share this. This is from a long time ago. I used to live in Dubai. वो I guess when you're South Indian, Dubai तो बनता है एक बार. So I was coming back and my brother had just had a baby boy. तो मतलब just a couple of months and I said ठीक है यहाँ पे तो प्रैम्स वगैरह बहुत फैंसी मिलता है तो एक प्रैम ले लेता हूँ. मैंने एक प्रैम खरीदा and the ticket from Dubai to Bangalore was whatever some 20,000 or something. And there was one ticket which was via Colombo which was 14,000. So I was like, तो cheaper ही लेना पड़ेगा naturally. So मैंने वो cheaper वाला लिया via Colombo. And I said ठीक है holiday भी बन जाएगा इसका. So I went out Sri Lanka में. I'll have a 2-3 day holiday. Then, but I was young. तो मुझे ये समझ नहीं थी कि whenever you go on a holiday ना, it should always be on the way back. Because after meeting family you're really fried. तब होती है ज़रूरत छुट्टी की. On the way in नहीं करना चाहिए था. But इससे बड़ा एक प्रॉब्लम ये था कि I was stuck with a pram on a beach in Colombo now. There's no woman, there's no kid. बस एक pram है और उसके अंदर बियर रखा हुआ है और मैं वो लेके घूम रहा हूँ ऐसे. So that was a very strange experience कि to be a single male walking around with a pram on an entire holiday.
Or maybe people were thinking you're there to sell
Or
even the pram.
or kidnap. Or worse, kidnap somebody's kid. So that was a strange story.
Okay, do you test your jokes with friends, with family?
हाँ.
And then you perform them or या फिर सीधा होता है random preparation हो गया सीधा stage पर जाकर ही perform करना?
So usually you test it among friends. More than friends, you test it with comic friends. Because just friends को ना वो बात समझ में नहीं आएगी. They don't have the imagination, let's say, to understand कि this will be funny. Comics have that thing समझने के लिए कि हाँ ये premise अच्छा है, इसमें कुछ है. You break it down थोड़ा geeking out on it होता है. Like you get academic about it. So that I like that. It's nice to get that feedback and then you can take it on stage. And many times ऐसा होता है कि you've written half the joke and बाकी आधा stage पे लिखा जाता है. They say कि a joke is not written till you performed it. तो लिखना तो सिर्फ बोलने के लिए होता है. Till you don't actually go and perform it in front of people and ideally they'll laugh.
और ऐसा हुआ है कभी कि they haven't laughed?
Of course हुआ है. आज ही हो गया कितने बार.
Okay,
I'm not in denial.
Which means I'm not getting your jokes.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. It happens. So it's a time and a place thing also. So ऐसा भी कितना होता है कि you know ये set is foolproof. Okay, you know this set works every time. In spite of that, there are days where it will not work. Because it's such a chemistry thing, ना? उस दिन possibly you were not in your essence, you were not feeling it, you were missing the timing. It's about timing also, no? या फिर you did not connect with the audience, you're not present, you're still worried about घर में लौकी के ठीक से बनी है कि नहीं. So if you're not in the moment, it's not gonna happen.
लौकी की सब्जी is your favorite?
It's my least favorite sabzi, but बनता है.
Okay, how do you deal with failures? मतलब क्योंकि अब आपने जोक मार दिया है और whatever reasons लोग नहीं हंस रहे, then how do you deal with it?
To move on. You have to move on. जितना कम टाइम उस पर आप स्पेंड करोगे उतना it's better for the show, for that the next few minutes. Because even if you spend, say, don't acknowledge it. Don't never acknowledge a failure of a bad joke. Because what that underlines is you were seeking validation और आपको वो मिला नहीं.
और ये जो आप वर्ड्स यूज़ करो ना, वैलिडेशन
हाँ.
और मूविंग ऑन, ये सब थेरेपी से आए हैं?
हाँ, आए तो हैं, but it's hard to apply in life. It's hard to apply in life because if you think about it, comedians also seek validation only. Social media ही देख लो ना, मतलब as a whole society because of technology it has become okay for us to seek validation. Young and old, हर उम्र में. तो not to comment on it, but कुछ तो है problem that we're seeking so much validation constantly. Like me, यही चल रहा है. But don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this video.
Yeah, that's the best part. And of course, I will be sharing in the links for Keshav's profile also. Description box में definitely Keshav के भी
Yes.
profile links होंगे.
You can go watch my video also.
Yes, you can like, share, subscribe his videos as well, his channel as well, and this channel as well.
Yes.
And I hope you're enjoying the video because we are trying to bring in some value to your life. हमने चाहे stand up comedian के साथ ये podcast किया है, लेकिन this is deep. We are
This is-
learning a lot.
yeah,
It's
I
not
mean-
just about, so stand up comedy का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि हाँ जी हर जगह perform करो, right? It's not like that.
Yeah.
But I'm sure a lot of people would be doing that with you.
Luckily वो दौर थोड़ा चला गया है. I feel people used to do that a lot, is what I've heard from the older comics.
yes.
They say कि हमारे टाइम पे तो it was, you could not leave a party without making a few jokes. Today I think people have become sensible and थोड़ा sensitive कि ठीक है, he's come here to chill, let him be.
Do you think that there has to be something inborn in you if you want to be a stand-up comedian?
नहीं, that is a harsh thing to say. I feel like if anything calls you towards it, you know, आपको लगता है कि this is your calling, then everybody, you know, you should try it. Because it's not because books can teach you the tricks, you know, books, podcasts, videos, they can teach you the ins and outs of क्या करना होता है.
तो अगर ऐसा 3 चीज़ें हों जो कि आप लर्न कर सकते हैं, because you said podcast से भी सीखा जा सकता है, तो I want people to learn from this podcast also, and you are a stand-up comedian, so
Right.
what are those 3 things that can be learnt and then you can move towards becoming a stand-up comedian?
One is timing. Timing is super important. The other is I think understanding a basic thing of कि premise क्या होता है, setup क्या होता है, punchline क्या होता है. ये अगर आप break down कर सकोगे, then
And if you give a little detail about this.
yeah, so what's a good example? Okay, this is a simple one. आप लोग जब मुंह धोने जाते हो, फेस वॉश करने जाते हो, आपको पता होता है कि रुकना कहाँ है. आपको पता चल जाता है कि फेस वॉश अब हो चुका है. मेरा ये प्रॉब्लम है कि आई डोंट नो कब स्टॉप करना है. मैं धोए जा रहा हूँ, इट्स नॉट एंडिंग. तो दैट इज द, यू नो, आई डोंट नो. मैं गया तो था फेस वॉश करने, बट आया हूँ नहा के. दिस इज द फुल जोक ना. Now, इसमें the setup actually is, I've set it up just by establishing कि I'm bald, which I did not have to do also, which is there. So that's the setup. उसमें premise अभी इसमें बोल दिया मैंने कि आप लोग जब face wash करने जाते हो, so I'm forcing you to imagine yourself facing your washing your face. और मेरे केस में ऐसा नहीं होता है. मेरे केस में क्या होता है कि then you realize कि माथे का importance क्या है. Matha should have a limit. So it's the words you leave out is where the joke is. बस ये.
Okay.
इतना ही academics बस हो गया. बिना माथा बोले you've said माथा. And you've said कि माथा इतना होना चाहिए तब you can wash your face.
Okay.
कि your hairline begins here. So I know you have to stop here. I don't have that, so I keep washing. तो ये. So when you're writing the joke, you have to write it backwards in that sense. कि ये पंचलाइन है, ये मेरा सेटअप है, ये मेरा प्रेमिस है. एंड द थर्ड थिंग, यू हैव टू टेक अ वेरी लॉन्ग पॉज एंड देन से टाइमिंग. टाइमिंग इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. टाइमिंग इज इट. एवरीथिंग इज अबाउट टाइमिंग इन कॉमेडी.
Okay.
Really. I was going to say 3 things and मैं 3 बार timing बोलने वाला था. Then I was like, ठीक है, that's an old joke. वो नहीं करते. But there are so many things, you know. You can. Another important thing in comedy is you have to be observant. Be a student of people. If you study people, you're a comedian or a writer.
And you are a writer as well.
Yeah, most writers, if you ask them, they are constantly just studying people, no? They're just introverts and they're just watching people.
And that's how you got into writing as well?
That's how I'm into writing as well. Like, I love writing. I'm working on a screenplay right now. I can't talk about it.
Okay.
There's an NDA.
And do you feel powerful when you are doing a stand-up?
It is a rush. 100% it is a rush. When people laugh and that echo of applause, oof, it's a beautiful feeling. It's a great feeling. You can't sleep that night. You can't. You go home and you're like, oh my God, like this excitement needs to like now die down, you know.
And what do you do then?
Drugs. With a straight face, he said.
Okay, that was a joke. You have to take it. He's already high, na? Because you already are so high with the laughter
yes.
and the expressions and the feedback that you have got.
Yes. So.
अच्छा कभी ऐसा हुआ स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी खत्म हो गया, शो खत्म हो गया और बाद में किसी ने आके बोला एक और जोक सुना दो यार?
हाँ, तो एक बार हुआ भी था कि very recently where I'm done with my set, I'm wrapping up. I said this is my time. There was a drunk man in the audience. He said नहीं और थोड़ा. And oh my God, मतलब I felt so loved. तो मैंने ऐसा ढूंढ के निकाल के then I did another 5 minutes. It has never happened that, you know, somebody says stay back and do some more. It's kind of like singers को मिलता है ये opportunity. Sir, once more, please once more. Comedians को नहीं मिलता है. तो जब मिल जाता है तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And I was fortunate enough कि उस दिन I had some more material.
And what if you don't have material? ऐसा भी कभी हुआ है?
It never happens that people ask you to do more. They rarely people ask. Rarely. Because they don't feel so friendly. Like I said, he was drunk.
So that guy was drunk, so he had the courage to ask you for 5 minutes more. अभी किसी ने ऐसा कह दिया मुझे घर ले चलो यार, मुझे सारा दिन जोक सुनाते रहना.
Gosh.
Yeah.
I wish. ऐसा तो किसी ने नहीं किया है. नहीं, neither man nor woman. किसी ने नहीं किया है.
Because people need to understand the importance of happiness यार, और laughter is such a big thing in your happiness. Maybe थोड़ी देर के लिए हो सकता है. Laughter is a therapy, ऐसे ही तो नहीं कहते हैं ना.
मतलब you know sometimes in a restaurant you go, you've not finished your meal, थोड़ा तो पार्सल ले जाते हो. तो कॉमेडियन को ले जाओ घर. यहाँ नहीं मन भरा है मेरा, बाकी घर पे खा लेते हैं. इसको डॉगी बैग कर दो.
ये सारा दिन जोक सुनेंगे.
हाँ, बस अगले दिन.
If they treat you well also. Because kindness is the most important. And that's what I learned today from you, you know, कि ऐसा नहीं है that if you have the power, because of course as you said, when you have the mic, you have the power.
Yeah.
People have come there to listen to you, and when you have the power and if you still feel कि मेरी responsibility है, मतलब ठीक है, this is my profession, okay fine, I'm getting paid from this, but still you're taking it as your responsibility कि मुझे kind रहना है फिर भी. ऐसा नहीं है कि I can laugh at their cost.
हाँ बिल्कुल, क्योंकि with power comes responsibility. थोड़ा
great leadership skill.
Oof.
That's what I would say. यही कहा जाता है कि लीडर्स को
देख लो अभी अपने तो इलेक्शंस के रिजल्ट्स देखे ही हैं अभी तो. इसके आगे मुझे कुछ बोलने की जरूरत नहीं.
ये बैन नहीं होना चाहिए बस किसी भी तरीके से.
मैं इंडिया की बात नहीं कर रहा था. मैं इलेक्शन से बहुत जगह होते रहते हैं.
और चैनल बहुत नया है.
चैनल नया.
But thank you so much, Keshav.
Thank you.
I think it was really fun and really nice. And not just fun, there is so much to learn from this episode.
I had a great chat. बहुत मजा आया आपसे बात करके.
Yeah, and at the end, would you like to say something?
Like a message?
Yes, and that's the camera.
Okay. Please support live comedy. जाकर आप आपके शहर में जहाँ पर भी stand up comedy हो रहा होगा go and watch a show, because I think it's one of the art forms जिसमें without an audience वो incomplete है. You know, as a painter मैं paint करके रख सकता हूँ कुछ, but in comedy जब तक आप audience बनकर ना आओ, हमारा art incomplete रहता है. So please come for shows.
Absolutely, and whichever your latest show is, we'll just put the link in
Please,
the description
that will be
box,
awesome.
and
That will be
you
awesome.
can book for his shows. And yes, of course, stand-up is great way to entertain yourself also. यार stress levels बड़े कम हो जाते हैं.
इतने सारे benefits है. I find it funny कि we have to tell people कि जाओ जाकर comedy देखो.
Yes, and I will tell you one more thing to please subscribe to our channel, because we get to meet such interesting people on our channel.
Thank you.
And of course, the whole in the whole process, कोशिश तो यही रहती है कि आपकी लाइफ में वैल्यू ऐड कर सकें, कुछ वैल्यू आपको दे सकें. And if you subscribe, we feel that we have been able to do that, and we'll keep bringing such people on this platform. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you once again,
Yes,
Keshav.
like, share, subscribe. Thank you.
Absolutely, thank you.
Bye.